Guys, check out this beast. 2018 CLS 63 AMG bi-turbo. Look at that. V8 raw power, 4-door raw power car. Really nice, really clean. Let me show you what we got done on it. Factory converter. Then the owner, it's a shop, it's called Nomad. They're in Nashville, Tennessee. They had the system installed, which is a Worcester. I can never say the word of it. But it's a custom 3-inch system with X-pipe. Goes out the back into valve mufflers. There they are, right there, and right there. And then they brought it to us, and we installed some sexy tips on it, black ones, to complete the look there and there, as you guys can see. So it came out really nice, really clean. CLS 63 AMG. Where's you guys' shop at?
It's on 1933 Element Hill Pike. Nomad Auto Work.
Nomad Auto Work. So hit them up if you guys ever want any German work done, or wraps, or tent.
Tent, PPF, paint protection, vinyl wrap, full color change, whatever.
Bring it in, we'll hook them up. They'll hook you guys up, tell them Exhaust Addict sent you, and they'll give you a hell of a deal, guys. So we appreciated them bringing in this vehicle, and hopefully many more in the future. This is some of their vinyl work, guys. They did the top, the mirrors, and the hood and the front. Yeah, really nice, sexy car. Look at that, really nice. So a little bit, make your car your own. Very nice. All right, guys, 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS 63S AMG. Beautiful car. What we done on it, took these things off, the catalytic converters, and put some Red Star high flow downpipes with converters right there and right there. Then we did a whole complete FI exhaust all the way back. We did a bolt-on for him. It's a Russian system. All the way back, has custom X-pipe. Really beautiful system, as you guys can see. Had a little bit of modification to make it fit on his, but we did it. Look at that, it's really beautiful. There's the mufflers. It's got Valvetronic technology inside the mufflers. Each side, there and there. And then they got these really sexy tips. I like the look of the tips on it. A lot cleaner than the old school stuff that was on it right there. As you guys can see. There's the old mufflers. There's the old resonator. Out with the old and with the new. Really beautiful. There it is. As you guys can see. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys. Here we go, guys. Stay tuned. I'm about to let you hear it. Whew. It's still gotta need a tune too, so they're about to do it. It still sounds mean though. Here's sound decibels. 114. Wow. Go ahead and back it up. Sexy car, man. Whew. I like the wheel setup too. Very nice. Sounds like a freaking jet. You can hear the whistle on it too. What a beast. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Oh. Let it warm up a little bit. Wow! Them damn Russians, man. Wow! Again? Oh my God! Here's sound decibels on cold start. 110. It's probably more than that, you know. See if you put it in sport mode. Put it in sport mode. Now it's in sport mode. Go ahead. And went up. There's sound decibels again. Man, 111. Wow. Good Lord. What a beast, bro. Again. Nice. And it's quiet on idle, like nothing. You can hear the turbo spinning up. Oh, it's so sexy. Man, that's sexy. AMG 63 CLS. By turbo. A lot of custom work done to it. He's got valves on it too. Let's see. One second. Sounds really nice. All right, just park it over there.